question 27. So, this is one of the easier histogram questions, so this is quite doable, I think. You've got to start off by trying to find where you've got both the bar and the table filled in. Now you'll notice that from 30 to 40, yes, we know the table value, and also from 30 to 40, yes, we know the size of the bar. So this is our starting point. Now the key thing here is the frequency represents the area. Key point, the frequency is the area for a histogram. So the area of this bar must be 35. So breaking it up into these bigger squares, these 5 by 5 little squares, you see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these bigger squares. 7 watts are 35, 7 fives are 35. So we've really broken the code. Each of these squares is 5, what is it on the sketching? 5 cars. Okay, so you can really now just fill in all the other big squares, these 5 by 5s, knowing each one of them is 5 cars. And that then allows you to fill in the table. So here we go. What should we do first of all? Let's fill in the table. So 0 to 30, how many cars have we got? Well, each of these is 5 cars, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. What about from 40 to 60? Well, again, I've just broken it down, 5 cars in each, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 60 cars. So that's going from the histogram to the table. I now need to go from the table to the histogram. So 60 to 80. So 60 to 80. Just do a little dash there to show you how far along you need to go. Now we need to do 30 cars. 30 cars. But remember, each of these squares has to be 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's why we've gone up to that height there for that bar. Now this final bar goes from 80 to 120. So here to here. So do a little dash there so you can see your height. We just need a height of 20 cars. 20 cars. Okay. Each of these squares is 5 cars, 5, 10, 15, 20. That's why we only had to go up to that height there.